Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I'm opening my first Ipsy Glam Plus bag or box. But I'm really excited about opening this one. I've purchased Ipsy for a long time. I didn't even know there was a Glam Plus bags until I started doing the unboxing videos. So I'm really excited about opening this. So let's get to it. Let's see. Ooh, okay. This is the way it looks inside. A little unusual, a little foam there. It says Glam Plus, Glam Bag Plus. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Okay. And then, okay, so this is like foam. All right. So the first thing, let's see, this is the booklet. Yes, it's got, wow. Okay, I took a sneak peek of some of the stuff that was in here. Neat. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see. The first thing that I saw was this 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. The value of this is $180 for this. $180. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is so cool. So in another box, I did get 111, I think it was in the FabFitFun box. I got 111 masks, and they were so nice. Oh my gosh, it was like the best mask ever. This is so cool. I love vitamin C. Vitamin C is so important for your face, and brightening booster. This is awesome. I'm so excited. Okay, let's try just a little bit. So it's like a little tap like this. You know, it's oily. So, oh, I like it. I'm so happy. Okay, this is really good. Okay, next, let's see. We have a lipstick, right? Let me see. This, I don't know how to pronounce it, but Trustique Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize Bordeaux and Grenache Balm. The value of this is $25. Wow. Okay, let's get this open. Ooh, I shouldn't have worn lipstick today. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It looks like a little crayon. Wow, this is really pretty. Let's try this on my skin. Oh, that's nice. I like it. It goes on very smooth. Very smooth. And it actually stays true to the color, so that's good. And then, where's balm inside? Okay, cool. Oh, it's so little. This is the little balm. This isn't gonna last very long. Let's show the color of that. Okay, so that's just a sheer one, but cool. Got a little glistening in there. This is cute. I've never tried this brand, so I am excited to try it out. And I like lip color that lasts, so I hope that this lasts a long time. Next, we have this, what is it called? Suva Beauty Hydra Liner and Grease and 620 brush set. The value for this is $26 for the set. This is what it looks like. I don't particularly use a lot of eyeliner because I don't know how to put it on too well, but I can always give it a try, or maybe pass this on to my niece because she is amazing with her eyeliner. Let's see. Okay, so this is the brush, super tiny. I mean, super fine brush there by Suka. So these are the two products, and I believe you're supposed to wet it and then put it on, right? Okay, cool. Yes, it says to begin, wet this 620 brush and dip into the pan, mix with the liner. Alrighty, well, I'm not going to be using this because it just looks way too difficult for me, but I will pass this on to my niece. Okay, next, let's see. Ooh, what's this? Let's see. Tetris and Ipsy Block Party Eyeshadow Palette. This is a value of $24. All right, let's open this up. Tetris, I think it's... Okay, so I had a little issue with the camera, so I had to restart and regroup. So let's get back to this eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and look at them again. Look how gorgeous they are. You see how beautiful the colors are? I'm excited about this. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Let's see. All right, so this one is called Skyline. It's very pretty. And then this one is called Back to Back. Let's see, this Tea-Spin. This is the one that I really like. Oh, this is a pretty color. Tea-Spin. Those are cute names. Okay. Then we have Line Clear. That's really cute. Can you see it? This is Line Clear. And then we have High Score. Ooh, nice little purple. And then the last one is Top Out. Oh, this is really pretty blue. Look at my fingers, they're so colorful. Okay, cool. These are really nice colors. I'm very excited about wearing these. Okay, and the last thing in the box is a Pixie. What is it called? Pixie by Petra Lash Lift. The value of this is $18. This is a mascara by Pixie, and let's get this open because I am so using this. So this is really exciting. I didn't even know Pixie had mascara. Ooh, look at that brush. It's so thin. This is gonna be really nice, especially for my bottom lashes. I always have a hard time with those. I am so excited. Okay, so just to recap, I love that I got this Pixie mascara. I love that I got this vitamin C beauty booster. I know my niece is gonna love this, so that'll be nice to pass on to her. And the lipstick, I am excited about trying it, but I have a few other lipsticks that I haven't tried yet, so I may hang on to this for a while. And the last but not least, this super duper cool Tetris plus Ipsy eyeshadow. This is just so cute. I love it. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I am definitely going to keep the Glam Bag Plus in my subscription list. And if you have any other suggestions for boxes you'd like me to see open, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to help me grow in my unboxing journey. Thank you. Bye.